If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. In this chapter, you will learn how to import and process camera raw images within Photoshop Elements. As mentioned earlier in this course, a camera raw image is the unprocessed data from your camera's image sensor. You can use the Camera Raw feature of Photoshop Elements to open the Camera Raw file and process it instead of relying on the camera itself to do this. This allows you to apply custom image settings such as the white balance and tonal range, for example. You can then import a copy of the processed file into Photoshop Elements just as you would any other image that you want to edit. The process settings are not saved to the original Camera Raw file, but instead saved as XMP settings within a separate XMP file in the same folder as the Camera Raw image. These settings are used to import Camera Raw files within Photoshop Elements. You can delete the XMP data settings file for a Camera Raw image to remove the import settings and set them back to their default values. This allows you to reprocess the Camera Raw file several times if desired to specify the exact processing settings you want. After applying the settings that are used to process your Camera Raw images, you can save those settings for later use if desired. After processing a Camera Raw file, you import a copy of the Camera Raw image into Photoshop Elements using these selected settings. You can then edit the image within Photoshop Elements and save it as one of the many types of image files that you can create in Photoshop Elements. This allows you to save the original raw camera data within the Camera Raw file, while allowing you to edit the copies of that data that you import into Photoshop Elements. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.